We have the question, if a circle is inscribed in a square, what is the ratio of area of circle to the ratio of area of the square? So we have in diagram, we have circle is inscribed in a square. We consider that if the radius of the circle is 1, then the side of the square will be 2, because from center to any point it is radius. So from center to this point it is radius, and from center to this point it is also a radius. So we can say that if radius is 1, then 1 is radius from center to this point and 1 from this to this point. So we can say that the side of the square, which is this AB or CD or AD, BC, these are the sides of the circle. So these all sides will be 2, because the circle is of radius 1. So we will write here, for example, we are taking let radius of circle is equal to 1. We are taking it as 1. Then side of square will be, because all the sides of square are equal, so we will write that side of square will be 2. So we have to find the area of this circle and area of this square. So for area of circle, we will write area of circle equal to, because formula to find area of circle is pi r square, we will write here the value pi same, and in place of r we will put 1, because the radius of the circle is 1. So 1 square is 1 and multiply by pi is pi. So area of circle is pi. Now we have to find the area of square. Area of square. For area of square, we can square the side of the area, side of the square. So side of the square is 2. So we will write that 2 square. 2 square means 4. So area of square is 4. We have to find the ratio of the area of circle to the ratio of the area of square. So I will write that area of circle ratio area of square. We have to find this ratio. So area of circle is pi and ratio area of square is 4. So this is the required ratio, or we can write it as pi divided by 4.